Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some naked wings. So, my wings have been marinating overnight. I didn't vacuum seal them or nothing. I just did it in this bowl. Washed them, seasoned them. They're highly seasoned. I have this in the fridge. I'll let this sit out on the counter for about 20 minutes. Look at these wings, y'all. Oh, they smell so good. Got all kind of seasoning on them. Okay. I'm going to, this is the sauce I'm going to be using. Got this from Aldi a couple days ago. It's called Moonshine BBQ sauce with black pepper. It's called black pepper steak. Sweet, savory, and tangy with mild black pepper and just the right amount of moonshine. Okay. I'm going to taste it before I put it on my chicken because I might not even like it. So let me preheat my air fryer. And I'll be using my 5-quart, 8-quart Cosori air fryer. Check it, make sure ain't nothing in it. Okay. Put it on preheat, press play. And I recently took my daughter an air fryer, so she made her chicken, her first chicken. She made chicken thighs. And everybody loved it. And when I went over there today to take her the extra fry basket and some chicken crack and other things, everybody was talking about how good that chicken was. So she had me take her to Aldi so she can get some chicken wings. So she's gonna make some more chicken today. And she bought some hot dogs. And I showed her how to slice the hot dogs and then put them in the air fryer. So it tastes like fresh roasted hot dogs. Like you buy at the ballpark. Very good. Okay, wait for this to finish preheating, and I'll be back. I have nothing else to tell y'all. Okay. I just tasted this barbecue sauce. It tastes like something that would be delicious on a steak. And it has a strong black pepper flavor, sweet and tangy and savory. You taste the black pepper. It's good, y'all. I don't know about the moonshine. What kind of moonshine they talking about? I can't read none of this. Whatever's in it, it sure is good. I think it's like $1.99. at Aldi. Okay, it can heat it up long enough. It's only the 2. Naked wings going ahead. These some huge wings. Look at that big old wing. Very large. That's why some wings take longer to cook than others, depending on the size. And I'm putting the flat part of the chicken up, since I don't plan on flipping these wings. Just a minute, it's for me. Okay, I just put my wings in there. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. It held 6 big old wings, and I don't really want them overlapping, so that's why I only put 6. And I set it for the chicken icon, so it's 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And I'm not going to flip them. Okay, I'll be back. Hi, y'all. Okay, all my chicken is done. I just got off the phone too, so I couldn't film the whole thing. But now I'm getting ready to throw some potato wedges in the air fryer. Walter likes these. I like them too, but I'm just gonna put them in here. I ain't washing the basket out. That's enough. And I'm fixing me sweet potato puffs. I got this from Walmart. I had used them before and I vacuum sealed the bag. They stay fresh. They're basically sweet tater tots. They are really, really good. I didn't see nothing I was doing. Turn it off. Start it again. French fry. I'll put on frozen. Okay. Okay, here my wings. This is hot. This was the first batch. And I didn't flip the wings. That's how they look. I'll put these in here. Put that sauce on. See these? I didn't flip them. They're brown on both sides. Put this delicious sauce on. Once again, that's how the sauce looks. By Cookhouse, Moonshine BBQ sauce, black pepper steak. Oh, I smell some liquor up in here. Oh Lord, I smell it. Ooh. Bitty wing. Look like I got a whole lot of people here. I don't, just me and Walter. So I'll be leaving in the morning, so here I have some leftover chicken. I already got leftover tacos and leftover barbecue ribs. Smells good. this bowl. Clamp this close. That's right. It's hot. Okay. I'm not going to try to pick this up because it's hot. Because I had this in the oven. So I'm just going to take this off of here and show y'all. Okay, y'all, these are my naked wings with the Moonshine BBQ sauce on it. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be tasting one of these wings, trying to let it cool off some. And the potatoes are still cooking. So when you see me again, I'll be doing a taste test. Okay, the potatoes are done. I just broke apart a piece of chicken. This piece. And I didn't flip these naked wings. Okay. I should have showed y'all how crispy they are before I put this sauce on. Okay, let me try a wing. Flat. This is some truly finger-licking good chicken. Y'all see this at Aldi? Pick up a bottle. It's not, okay, it's spicy, but it ain't gonna have you souping and hollering and stuff. It's really good. You can taste the black pepper in it. I don't know who that is. And it's really, really, really good. How it looks. Taste the tater tots. Sweet potato tater tot. To me, this is a good dinner. I know it ain't no balanced meal, but that's how I eat. One of his potatoes in here. Okay, y'all. And I'm showing you my merch. So I put a link for my merch. It's in my Etsy shop. My Just Winging It t-shirt. It comes in quite a few colors. Okay. So, I'm going for real now. Bon appetit. Bye.